Hey guys. So hey guys, as you can see today, right, this update will be on about the two potential areas of interest that the National Hurricane Center has marked in the Atlantic. There's one near Bermuda, which has a 10-30% chance. Yeah, a 10-20% chance, 10% chance in the next 2 days, and a 20% chance in the next 5 days. It says, obviously, because I can't get the actual thing up, but I'm gonna have to read it off my laptop. But they say here, right? Central subtropical Atlantic, a weak area of low pressure located over the central subtropical Atlantic, a few hundred miles east-southeast of Bermuda, is producing an area of disorganized showers and thunderstorm. Development of the system, if any, is expected to be slow to occur while it drifts west-southwestward through Sunday and then turns northward early next week. So that's what they say for this one. Right here. That's what they say for this one. For this one that's in the north, they are predicting it to be a 2020 northeastern Atlantic, a non-tropical area of low pressure has developed over the northeastern Atlantic, several hundred miles northeast of the Azores. This system could acquire some subtropical or tropical characteristics on Saturday or early Sunday when it moves east-southwestward at 10 to 15 miles an hour towards Portugal and northwestward Spain. The opportunity for tropical or subtropical development should end by Sunday night when the system moves into an unfavorable environment. Conditions. For more information, see high sea forecast issued by Meteo France. So that's what they says on this one. Obviously, for the Pacific now, right, there's like 3 areas of interest that's been marked, which is crazy, to say the least. You still got Hurricane Lala at the moment, which is still a Category 2 hurricane. Still a Category 2. It's going to be weakening in 35 degree waters, 35 degrees north, obviously, because that's where the waters are going to be like the most coldest up there. They already are touching the 27 degree isotherm marks at the moment, so the waters are cooling down at this moment in time. Definitely, indeed, for Lala. We do also have a new tropical depression that has been named Tropical Depression TD2C, should I say. And they're expecting this to become it was a 70-mile-an-hour tropical storm, but they've downgraded the peak massively to 50 miles an hour. So they've got 35, 40, 45, 50, 50, 45, 45, 40, then 35. But they're anticipating wind shear, but it is 35 miles an hour. It is moving west at 30 mile. Is moving west. I think it's moving west northwest, right? Yeah, west northwest at 10 miles an hour. It's located at 13.4 degrees north and 146.0 degrees west. Maximum sustained winds of 35 miles an hour. Movement west northwest at 10 miles an hour. That's what they are predicting at the moment. I will now show you the Joint Typhoon Warning Center, because we now have tropical cyclone Typhoon Sordell, and we also do have a tropical storm in the South China Sea. Right here we have one. But obviously you got the main feature here, which is Typhoon Sordell. You got Invest 94W, Invest 97W. You got the remnants of Nakama that did form as a sort that did dissipate. But the JTWC, it anticipated it to be a different kind of system, but obviously the GMA also has it dissipating, but it's actually the remnants of Nangala, whatever the storm was called. But I will show you Typhoon Sordell right now. I believe Sordell right now is a Cat 2. In my opinion, I think Sordell is a Cat 2 right at this moment in time. That's what I think it is anyway. Yeah, I mean, so far, I mean, they still have it 75 knots. That got it 75 miles an hour at 80 knots, which is around about right. They do get it to 105, then 125, 130, 130. So 130 knots, that's 150 miles an hour. 135 knots is 155. And then 140 is 100. 140 is 160. So it's going to be peaking around about this time on the 23rd. So on the 23rd at 6Z, the 23rd at 18Z. That's what it will be peaking somewhere in this general area. Yeah, again, it could peak here, or it could really start to rapidly intensify, or if not explosively intensify. But I tell you now, Sordell looks so good on satellite imagery. I will get up the satellite imagery for you guys right now. That's the models. You don't want the models. That's a lot looking pretty shocking at the moment right now. Invest 94W looking absolute dreadful. 96W definitely 100% is no, Tropical Storm 2. That shouldn't be Tropical Storm 2. That should be Tropical Storm 28. No, not 28. Should be Tropical Storm 18. Yeah, see, 18W. From 18. I think they have. There we go. Then this is T2. Well, they have it as Tropical Storm now. So yeah, 35 knots. 1002. But I'll show you Sordell. Typhoon Sordell. This is what it looks like, guys. So yeah. Anyway, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. See you all in the next update. Have a great day. Stay safe. Love you all. See you soon, and goodbye.